Just listen to the sound.
Oh my god, look at the fucking dog!
We are so close to, I'm in the cloud.
The room, sorry. We have to head back under 2 p.m.
So this is called the bamboo chicken, which is very famous in Maredumilli.
Good morning, guys, and we are literally in the mountains. I hope you guys can see it. We are very close to nature, and this is the day 2. You can also call it as part 2 of Hyderabad to Maredumilli ride. It's not only Maredumilli, we explored a lot of places from these last 2 days. This is actually our third or fourth day, but for you guys, this is a day 2. We are going to Maredumilli right now. It's around 50 kilometers, I guess, close to 50 kilometers. Thing is, we took 2 days break in West Godavari district to continue the ride. I'll tell you all about it. First of all, we lack the research, that's for sure, because we searched in Google that what's the lockdown restrictions in Andhra Pradesh, and the Google says can ride it from morning 6 to evening 6. That means from evening 6 p.m. to morning 6 a.m. it's complete lockdown in Andhra Pradesh. So we thought we'll go to Maredumilli and we'll stay over there, or we'll explore over there till the end of the day, and we'll take a room and stay over there and all this stuff. But once we reached to West Godavari district and very close to East Godavari district, West Godavari district, the locals said that the East Godavari has a different lockdown restrictions where you can freely do whatever you want from morning 6 to 2 p.m. So from afternoon 2 p.m. to morning 6 a.m. it's absolutely full lockdown. So the cops also won't allow us from another district to East Godavari district. So what we have to do, we have to stay in the West Godavari district. So we are very close to small villages. So we went there and we stayed in a village called Pendiala, and we explored the area. I haven't vlogged it. The reason is I just want to explore it and enjoy it with myself without any vlogging and all this stuff. And I did it, and I'm continuing the day 2 part right now. And it's another 50 kilometers to Maredumilli. You can see the mountains and the forest on the left side, and it's quite chilly here. Look at the view, guys. So now we started around 4 o'clock in the morning. We stayed around 24 kilometers near to the East Godavari district, and we still have the restrictions. I think it's 5:50, I guess. The time is right now 5:50. Oh, it's quite chilly here. Very cold. Oh my god. And it's absolutely ruler. I mean, it's not ruler. It's rural. I mean, ruler కాదు, rural area,
Stop it. Get some help.
rural area, rural area. People says if you eat a lot of non-veg, your tongue don't twist quite easily. So that's what happening with me.
Okay.
Wow, look at these forests. Ah, these roads are very dangerous. Looks all good, but it's quite dangerous. So we asked the cops to give the permission an hour earlier so that we can go. I mean, we explained them everything that about this ride. We came from Hyderabad, we stayed in West Godavari district due to the lockdown restrictions, and it's a very tight schedule to do the ride. And they agreed, and they said like you have to get back to the West Godavari district under 2 p.m. or else you're stuck in the East Godavari district, and a lot of hotels and resorts are closed in Maredumilli. So with their guidance, we'll go to the Maredumilli and we'll explore good 5 hours, and we'll return back at 12 p.m. so that we'll reach to the West Godavari district by 2 p.m. So it's all good. It's quite tight schedule, but we have to do because we came around 500 kilometers right now. Actually, there is one awesome location near to Maridmilli. It's around another 50 kilometers. It's called Gudusap viewpoint. It's like, I can't describe it. I'll keep an image on the screen right now. This is how it looks. Actually the plan is to go over there too, but due to this lockdown restrictions we are avoiding that route because it's around 110 kilometers up and down from Maridmilli itself. So from West Godavari district where we stayed, we kept all the luggage in the room and we were only carrying the cameras and power banks and all this stuff in the Wildcraft backpack. So we are carrying only small luggage. So we'll explore good 5 hours and we want to return back. You can see the fuel station in the jungle. Wow, a lot of monkeys. Woohoo! I'm really enjoying the ride. Wow, fucking cold guys. And this red ass monkeys, a lot of red ass monkeys here. Oh my god, it's fucking cold here guys, and I really don't want to run on a monkey, so I'm keeping my limits under 60. If we reach to Maridmilli, it's going to be bang on, but the thing is we really don't know a lot of things in Maridmilli. We got to know a lot of things. You can see Alluri Sitaramaraju. You know Alluri Sitaramaraju? Actually Alluri Sitaramaraju is our ancestors. He used to live near to the Maridmilli. He used to visit a temple and he used to do the puja and all this stuff in the temple. So he used to stay in the village. And if you want to talk about Alluri Sitaramaraju, so he is the one who fought with the British people, okay, with the bow and the arrow. He did all the stuff to get the freedom. Lot of signs saying that it's an accident prone area, so I am keep on horning. Oh my god chicks, and I'm too excited. And you can see the roads are quite curvy too, and this is the place. People call it Mini Ooty, or people call it as Andhra Munnar. And I'm not worried about the camera charging and all this stuff. I'm gonna completely continue the camera on, because the good thing about this camera is it can charge while recording. So I kept the cable directly into the backpack, so it's keep on recording, it's keep on charging, and I keep on. Oh my god, look at the fucking dog. Temperatures are quite cold. It's around 10 degrees I guess. The good thing about these monkeys are they don't chase you. You can see the clouds are below the mountains. The clouds are below the mountains, and I'll show you in a clear way guys. I'll show it in a clear way. Wow, this place was absolutely insane. Look at that. Look at that. The clouds underneath the mountains. Actually the clouds are passing under the mountains. Wow. Actually I'm keeping my hands. Oh, the engine was hot. Actually I'm keeping my hands on the head of the cylinder so that I can warm up my hands. The trees are covering all the beautiful stuff, but I can see it with my naked eye. It says 37 kilometers to Maridmilli and Komaravaram. This is a location called Komaravaram. I think you guys can see it, all the nature and stuff. I hope you guys can see it, but I'll show you in a clear way with G7X Mark II in a bit. So what we'll do, I'll show you in a clear way. I hope you guys can see the clouds. We are literally so close to the clouds. And imagine if you go above that point, it's going to be fucking cold. Show you in a clear way by taking out the G7X from the back, but we are not getting a clear point of view to show you guys. We have to go inside the jungle, and that's not I want to do it right now. If something goes wrong, if the puncture or anything like that, look at that. Look at that. You can see all the gloves and stuff inside the bag, but I'm gonna wear it right now. what I'm thinking about the G7X, right? So I'm recording with the Canon G7X from the action camera view to G7X view. Just look at it. Just look at the view, guys. I'm zooming it. You can see the clouds are passing underneath the mountains. Look at that. Very good location. Look at that mountain is absolutely not visible at all. We are so close to, I mean, the clouds. We are literally very close to the clouds. I mean, we are in the clouds. To be safe, frankly. Look at the mountains. And look at that. And it's sunrise right now. You can see. You can see the beautiful view. Wow. And I'm gonna continue the ride, and this is how my motorcycle looks like. And you can hear a lot of tick tick sounds from the cat silencer. So when the motorcycle heats up, the exhaust is kind of expands. Not visible for the naked eye, but it will expand. And when if you keep the motorcycle aside, and this is the tick tick sound comes from the silencer. And you can go to Bhadrachalam also from this route. You see, bike doesn't matter. It's all about, bike matters to a limit, but it's all about you and how you treat your motorcycle. That makes your ride awesome. Look at the view. Look at that. I'm gonna upload everything in this video. Maybe it's be 35 or 40 minutes of whatever it might be. I'm gonna upload because I just want memories. You can see Kalyan Camping Resort. So if you go straight, it's camping resorts right there. And just imagine if something happens in this jungle, that's all. RX is RX, you can go anywhere. And the good thing about this is riding a 2-stroke. It's a vintage thing, and riding on these forest roads is absolutely insane experience that you have to experience. Look at the view. Oh my god, how many times I have to say, look at the view, look at the view, look at the view. Actually, it's sexier than my girlfriend. Closing at 60-65. The roads are absolutely insane. And I'll recommend everyone, if you're from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, why you'll go to Munnar and long distance as such. Come to this location. A huge place, around 50-60 kilometers, with different waterfalls, different kind of things and all this stuff. And please let me know in the comment section, guys, from which state are you watching this video. Please comment down below. Just comment down below from which state you are watching this video, and give it a like. Traveling on a 2-stroke for such a long distance, you have to like this video. And it says I Polavaram. This is a location called I Polavaram. Look at the place. You can see all the water is flowing. Look at the view, guys. This is how it looks, and the sunrise over there. But look at that. Insane. Man, look at the trees under the water. And you can see the clouds over there. Clouds. Just look it now. This is how it looks. This is how it all looks, and a lot of hoardings about cheetahs. Rampachavaram, sorry. and this is one of the good places that I would recommend you guys. Whatever state you are from, come here. A lot of resorts and stuff are there, but come when the lockdown ends. Not now, you're not gonna enjoy a lot. So once the lockdown and everything completed here, inquiry about it and then come here, or else you'll face a lot of issues for staying and all the stuff. All these are forests, and in some places this kind of a couple of 10 or 20 houses in between. A lot of people don't know about this place, not so famous about it, and these days people got to know about this place, and people are coming these days, or else previously or 3 or 4 years back there is no tourists as such here. Very little people has to come, but right now it's becoming famous. So everyone started exploring it, so it got famous, and yeah, we got a chance today to explore the stuff. We are officially entering into Maradumilli. We are going onto the hilltop. All the roads are kind of curvy, but it's kind of risky, but let's do it, man, whatever it takes. So we just took a break here, and I'm gonna show you the view what I'm watching right now, and that's where our motorcycle, and it's all good, everything works perfect, and you can see.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple.
You can see all the clouds over there underneath the mountain. You can see it's absolutely insane view, guys. You must have to visit here. I'm not gonna stop for long time. We'll just continue the ride because we have to head back under 2 p.m. this afternoon. So yeah, we'll continue on the motor vlog. So we're going on to the top. So it's kind of curvy here. We are going all the way to top of the mountains. So it's quite hilly. So I just want to do the corners, but sometimes I have a fear that my sister is at the back, so I have to make it slow. Just enjoy these curves, guys. Just enjoy all these curves. A lot of views, but we are not stopping. We're just watching just by riding the motorcycle, but you can see the fantastic. photos and videos over the locations. It's another resort, it's called Bird's Nest Resort. Most of the resorts are closed. Don't stop in these locations for long times because a lot of tigers will roam here in these areas. So I said my sister to record some videos for reels, and I upload a lot of reels these days, and if you want to watch those you can just see it on the screen. This is my ID, or you can check it in the description. You can go into profile, and if you like, give it a follow. Look at the forest, and there are a lot of ways to go deep. There you can see waterfalls as such, but we are not risking it at all. You know, literally no one is there in this location, so better don't plastic it, smoke it, or don't drink liquor here. My RX is absolutely enjoying these roads, absolutely enjoying. The motorcycle is enjoying the roads, curves, and from here it says a lot of deers from in this location. This is the best place that I have been, the best hill station. Mainly guys, you have to come on motorcycles. You will explore a lot with the motorcycles compared to cars or any other transport as such. Motorcycles are the best, and there is nothing to say about this place. It's all about nature. That's it. Nature everywhere, every inch of the forest. And Ananya Resorts is on the right side. You have to go inside that for Ananya Resorts, and you can see a lot of leopards hoardings on these roads, and here it says don't feed the monkeys. So what happened was, if you feed them, they used to get the food from the people. Now what they do, they don't go to forest, just stay beside the roads and they'll wait for the food, and if you give them, they'll eat, or else they just stay on the roads, and sometimes some monkeys might met with an accident. So better don't feed them. If you think you are wasting the food, then maybe you can give them. I mean, don't take the food just for the monkeys. If you have some leftovers, good food, then you can give to them. Man, these cows are really good. You have to horn it because we really don't know what's coming on the opposite lane. And if you want to keep the fire, don't keep it in the forest. Search for an open place, very open place, and make sure you don't have any grass near to, and keep the fire. We are literally in the clouds. Literally in the clouds. Wow. I just want to leave my hands like that and ride the motorcycle, but go slow. It says caution, so we have to go slow. Look at the leopard, common leopard. I think there is waterfall underneath. Oh my god, he just scared me a lot. Maredmilli Reserved Forest. These are the thickest forests that I have ever seen. Thickest forests. All the bikers, all the two-strokers from all the states, listen to me. Plan a ride to Maredmilli. Like maybe we'll go next year or after 5 or 6 months. Just comment down below or touch with me on Instagram. If you have interest to tour with me, then message me. And it's actually drizzling here, guys. I mean, this is all about clouds, right? The cloud water is actually on the roads. That makes sense? I think so. And I'm actually want to buy a drone very soon, but I'm very tight on my budget. But hopefully, if I have a lakh and a half, 1.5 lakh, then I'll buy a good drone so that I can shot a very good drone shots, and for the YouTube too. So these roads are absolutely insane. Just imagine You on these roads with your 2 strokes, RX 100, Shoguns, Shaolins, Max 100s, 135s, 4 speeds, 5 speeds. Come on guys, if you have a Duke, RC, CB or whatever, you have a Moto Guzzi or whatever it might be, these roads are absolutely insane. Yeah, a lot of bikers going inside this thick forest. You don't need a big motorcycle. I haven't seen any big motorcycles as such. All splendors. Maybe I'm the only one who bought the 2-stroke here. And the roads are very slippery here. So make sure you have a good tire grip, new tires. My tires are only around 1000 kilometers done after I have installed. So these are absolutely like brand new ones. Wow, these roads are amazing, and if I have a 5-speed gearbox, then it's going to be a blast. Next time, whenever I do a long trip, I'll install a 5-speed gearbox on it and bang on. So this is the location. Just show it in the camera. So we are at here. So after 2 kilometers we have the coffee plantation, and after 5 kilometers we have MPCA. I don't know what it is, but next we have Jalatarangini waterfalls, and next Kartikavanam, and next at the after 15 kilometers we have Amrutadhara waterfalls. So Vanavihara also, it's near to it. So this is the board, and this is Vanavihara, right? Is it open? So look at that. We have the hill restaurant as well, but it's all closed. So this is coffee plantation, I guess. That is also closed. You better not come this time. You better don't come in this time, guys, right now, because most of the places are closed, but the nature is really good in this season, so that you can explore all this stuff. Look at the old electricity lines. There are a lot of ways inside, but we really don't know what's inside. There are no proper hoardings as such, so that's why we are so confused. I think it's around another 15 kilometers, I guess. We'll go straight, we'll explore everything, and we'll come back. So all these are closed. All these are closed. The recommended thing is all about come on motorcycles. While coming, you'll get the camp and campfire equipment, the food and everything. Get it and camp in these locations. That's it. The nature is nature, and the resorts are resorts, because resorts provide some kind of safety than the full-on wildlife. All about nature.
Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand.
And guys, just see it. No signals at all. Jio has no coverage, and other Airtels also no coverage. No signal, no nothing. It's absolutely full of nature.
Just listen to the sound.
So you can see it's written as Ghat road starts, go slow.
Cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
I don't know, but somehow the motorcycle is not willing to go up. Maybe it's a hill station, right? Maybe oxygen levels are quite low compared to down. And in FI motorcycles, in fuel injected motorcycles, the ECU will automatically adjust its tuning with the sensors and all the stuff. But in a two-stroke, you have to adjust the carburetor, and if it's give 40 kilometers per liter, then it's definitely running on a kind of leanish. So in this kind of hill stations, the motorcycle struggles a lot. Manyam viewpoint. So we came to Manyam viewpoint. I'll show you Manyam viewpoint.
Yeah.
Two routes you have to take. If you want to go to what it called the Gudisa area, then you have to take another route from Maradmilli. But if you want to see the waterfalls and all this stuff, you have to take this route. But we took this route. Unfortunately, everything, almost everything was closed. So the only way you can explore Maradmilli and near its location, when without lockdown, this place is absolutely insane with more people and stuff. But this is all about Maradmilli ride, Hyderabad to Maradmilli.
So this is called the bamboo chicken, which is very famous in Maradmilli, and we want to try it out. And both the cameras are actually dead. The Eken camera battery has gone, almost dead, and the G7X is also almost dead. So we're just buying it, and we'll take it home and we'll have there, because due to the lockdown restrictions, they are not allowing people to eat here. So we're gonna take this bamboo chicken. I want to make much more content, but the batteries are almost dead and the power bank is also almost dead. So I'm just signing off right now. So this is a good place to visit. You must actually come here and visit this location, Maradmilli. So that's all about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.